Buying rootstock and having it arrive exactly when we need it has always been a challenge for us. Plus, the expense of buying rootstock and the shipping it entails can cut into the savings you get from grafting. We have a couple of methods we use to remedy that. They give you control and you can save money, but it can just require a little advanced planning. Hi, I'm Mark at Dingdong's Garden. We sell fruit tree scion wood every year during our annual winter sale, and we're always looking for better ways to propagate and grow our orchard, and we're happy to share what we learn. Over the years, obtaining rootstock when we need it has been a puzzle. We are moving to a solution where we started harvesting our own rootstock by planting tree seed and digging up root suckers. When comparing methods, the most efficient way by far is planting seeds of known good rootstock varieties. In our example here, we planted apple seeds from a tree that was originally Antonovka rootstock. And while apple seeds are not true to type, we're pretty confident that these roots have close to the same vigor that we look for in seedling rootstock, which is what Antonovka is. During the growing season, the seeds we plant the winter before, they grew fast, and by the following winter, most of the seedlings grew into saplings of sufficient diameter to graft. So when we were ready to graft, the rootstock was just sitting there waiting for us. Our other method of harvesting rootstock for our farm is digging up root suckers from existing trees. The more vigorous and more heavily pruned a tree is, the more likely it will send up root suckers. Here you can see where we have heavily pruned an Italian prune plum, and it sent up new shoots or suckers from the roots that we can dig up. Harvesting root suckers is more of a harvest of opportunity and a little more difficult to plan ahead and rely on than harvesting rootstock grown from seed, but it's still a great option. So in conclusion, if you're looking for a way to get reliable rootstock when you want, you should consider growing from seed and harvesting root suckers. Hope this helps. Thanks to all and have a great week.